Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of utilization. And today our numerical problem is an electrical train is to have an acceleration and braking retardation of 0.8 kilometer per hour per second and 3.2 kilometer per hour per second respectively. If the ratio of maximum average speed is 1.3 and times of stop 26 seconds. Find the schedule time for a run of 1.5 km. Assume simplify trapezoidal speed time curve. First of all, let the actual time of run total time be t second, capital T, and average speed we know 300 3600 yes upon t. So 3600 into yes, the value of yes is total distance, and total distance is given in the question 1.5. So 1.5 upon t, that is 5400 upon t kilometer per hour, and maximum time, sorry, maximum speed Vm equal to 1.3 V. This is also mentioned in the question. So 1.3 into 5400 upon t, that is 702 t kilometer per hour. And we know this equation Vm square equal to Vm square k minus Vmt plus 36. The value of k is 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta. So putting all these value, we can get Vm square is equal to uh, Vtm minus 3600 yes upon 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta. So put all these value, then we can get the value of alpha is 0.8 and value of beta is 3.2. This is also the 0.8 and 3.2 also mentioned in the question. So Bm equal to 45.53 kilometer per hour, and Va equal to Bm upon 1.3. So Va equal to 35.028 kilometer per hour, and actual time of run T equal to 3600 yes upon Va, that is 3600 into 1.5 into 35.028, that is 154 second, and schedule time Ts equal to actual time of run plus time of stop. So 154 plus 26, 180, and schedule speed Vs equal to S into 3600 upon Ts. So 1.5 into 3600 upon 180, that is 30 kilometer per hour.